Is your 4th-gen 4Runner key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. These fobs use radio frequency to talk to your 4Runner's computer, and a weak battery weakens the signal. To fix, open the fob carefully with a small screwdriver, replace the CR2032 battery with positive side up, and reassemble. Then test the fob immediately. If that doesn't work, the fob may need to be relearned by the car's computer, or the ECU may have glitched. We'll cover this in the next section. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, try the remote relearn procedure. Insert the key into the ignition without starting the engine. Cycle the key from off to on 5 times rapidly within 15 seconds. Then press any button on the key fob. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm the relearn was successful. If your key fob still is not working, try an ECU reset. Turn the ignition to on for 5 seconds, then off for 5 seconds, and repeat this 5 times. Finally, start the engine. This clears temporary ECU glitches without tools. Remember to disconnect the battery before ECU-related work. If problems persist, consult a professional.